up to the sound of thunder, like a whisper in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever? I can see the stars reflecting, the empty towers made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light, take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up, you got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon. I've been used to breathing darkness, the hunger never disappeared, 'cause the memories have turned to ashes. Oh, still floating but I won't surrender to the tide inside of me, drowning in the endless silence, but I'm who I'm meant to be. I see your light, take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up, you got me falling free into eternity.
Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna test out some dot file install script. And, hopefully it works better than the last time I checked it. Made some changes. Hopefully we improved. I could just fire this one and start with right off with Arch minimal install. I don't know, should we just do right from scratch maybe? Yeah, let's do that. And I keep my VMs on a different drive. So let's see how this goes. Right there. I want to add one, right? That's what we're doing. I need that. That's probably enough. So let's say yes. Choose. Looks good. Go there so we can make a few more adjustments. You want to click this box here before we install. because it doesn't get things quite right. So if we go here, you can see sockets are set to 12. Number 12 here. Like that. And it's good. Change this. Apply. And we should be good. So we're going to do Arch install with basically no desktop, just minimal, just terminal. To start out, type Arch install. And that is correct. Put in ears. Canada for me. Disk configuration. Use best effort. Just keep things simple. Don't need that. That's enabled. Using grub. That's good. Host name. Password, sure. Super secure. User account. Add. Password. And we're going to want to add the user to super user for sure. And confirm and exit. Profile, this is where you would pick your desktop. So these are all your choices. There's Hyprland in this now. Amazed Cosmic isn't listed. Strangely enough, but everything else, so this is where you would pick that. I don't want to do any of that. I'm just going to take minimal, bare bones. So you can see selected profiles, install packages, nada. And select Pipewire. Kernel is Linux. Network. Being the way we're installing it right now, this is I would do the copy ISO network configuration to install. Additional packages, we're going to want get. We're going to want the multilib. Time zone for me, if you just hit slash and then start typing country. Canada Eastern. Enabled. And we'll just go right to install.
Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real?
Oh dear. It's funny, it's installing all this stuff, and I think when I run the script it does all this again. Not sure why. So once this is finished, then we'll grab my install script from GitHub and see if we crash and burn.
Lost inside of a crowd that couldn't care less. Everything was moving so fast. Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive.
Don't think I've had to do that before. I don't know if that just crashed and burned. Kind of leveling out here like it's not getting shit. Total 148 to 153. As I finish this. Why?
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster,
I feel like it just locked up. Just wait a minute. Let's see what I need to. Oh, I didn't aim it right at the beginning there. That's so I'm pretty sure it just throws up there. We're cooking. Yeah. I think we're alright. So that's serves me.
we keep running faster and faster. I don't know
Oops.
what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like
That's right. Nope.
faster and faster.
Does not exist. I did something wrong. Do we have network? Something go terribly wrong in that install? Oh, yeah. It's been a minute. I really need to finish that. It's a long code. Bear with me. Okay, that's done. So then we're going to CD into that. And make it executable. Go, and then we'll run it. Fingers crossed. So it'll install everything we need, and then it'll come to the point where we pull the dot files in. Well, I didn't make it, so it just pulled it in and then linked. There is that option. I've looked at it. I tried one way. I found another way of doing it. I haven't tried it. I'm basically just gonna copy and paste, replace over into the files. Hopefully that works. Should work. We could, you know, make it a little more automated if you were still building it out and link it, so that way as you update things it'll transfer over, but I'm okay with it this way. So gotta make it work first. We'll worry about fine-tuning it. Should be close to pulling dot files here soon.
Staying up till 5 a.m. Told me you and him were friends. Woke up in a burning home. Blame myself, I should have known. The stain of light, sealed our fate, buried in the catacombs. Setting fire to the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time.
Oh, fingers crossed. I think I did see some errors pop by there, but doesn't mean, you know, things aren't working. I think that there's pulling all the themes in. Again, I only use one. I wonder if I can, well, I mean, to fair out the others, I'd have to leave them, but I'm only using one of those themes. Which I completely have changed up. Oh, here we go. Oh, I gotta type that long ass password in again. Ugh. So pain. Big pain. Okay, setup complete. Please reboot. All right, let's reboot. Did I forget to add greeter? How did I forget to do that? Let's find out. I think it's control enable. Okay, I forgot to put that in the install. Not a biggie. No biggie. Away we go. Oh, that's not gonna work. Make sure you select that. Here we are. So this is Hyprland. This is what it looks like out of the box. Not much of anything. I think that by default is maybe using the Rofi right now. This Rofi, not the W one that we're about to use. And terminal is, yeah. So let's fix the window so we can see a little better. And we're gonna go .config slash. We're gonna go into that thing. And set the monitor. This looks like a good spot. That's going to be a virtual monitor. One of them by 1080. There, position. Save that. And I buggered that. And away we go. Okay. We'll close that. And we're going to open this. So you can see that window changed. Another one of those open. Let's just get that rid of that. There we go. Okay. So all we're going to do here is we got to be able to see our hidden folders. Go to edit, or view, sorry, show hidden. We're going to go into the dot folders on the right. We're going to start on the left side of them. Go in here, copy this. Go in here, paste it. Come back out. Go into the config. Select everything in there. Paste it. Replace. Back out. Don't need that. Copy icons over. Go to local. Copy that. Go to local. Here. Back over. Copy that. The wallpaper. Pretty much all this stuff at the last place. Okay, hopefully we didn't miss anything. And close that up. Pretty sure I could just load Waybar right now and we'd be going. Let's just go for it. It's gonna do a reboot, but let's just roll it out and see what happens. Yeah, let's just reboot it. So far, so good. So far, so good. All right, so we need to get a wallpaper loaded in. There we go. Let's have a look. There we go. Icons are changing. File manager's changing. We've got the wallpaper app working. Fingers crossed. Yep. I think things are still kind of loading here. Things are slow to roll, but everything should be up to date. So we already ran that. We'll check just to be sure. Yep, nothing to do. And printer stuff is there. It's not going to find any of that because that's not connected to that part of the network. It does work on the other one. It's those printers. It's not going to find anything. It's not part of that network. No biggie. It's popping, so it must be working. And that's working. Color shifted. So look like we're in business. Here's the updated. It's working. Bluetooth. Gotta fix that still. That's working. Color's not being applied into this. Well, I could have chose white somehow. Pretty sure that's an easy fix. Let's see if it's working with the other one. Right click. Yep. It's working. Power button. And it's working. It's not pretty. Volume. Working. Not pretty. Need some work on that as well. Yeah, you forget about these little things. We'll get there. Same with trying to clear that off the screen is a pain in the butt. Have to fix that. Not a big issue. Something tells me I have a wallpaper in there that's not loading. That's bothering me. Let's see if we can find that. Oh, make sure all this is working. Looks like it's spacing everything right. Power line theme is changing. Pretty sure. Let's double check that. Yep. Yeah, that changed, right? No, it didn't. Okay. Guess we'll have that fixed. Man, did I forget to do that? Oh no, it shifted. I just selected the same damn picture. Wake up. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, where did that just pop from? That's what I removed out of here. And where's... And the icons are wrong over here as well. What the hell? Yeah, when you first do the install of everything here, there's definitely processes going on in the back here. Oh, looks like it's finally done there. Okay, so let's see. And it's still slow making that roll. Okay, that's definitely changing. Okay, so all looks like it's working. Where to find that? Faster. Just. It's going to be a way bar, right? Oh, which one could it be? The screaming bottle to thin. Take a look around and keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting. status menu. Status. No, that's a backup. Yes. Oh, this looks promising. I can see the line right now. Just off the icon. What happens? Oh yeah, we're getting there now. Okay. I don't want any of this. Mint. That's kind of a shitty icon. Yeah, let's have a little fun. Yeah, okay, go away now. What should we put there? Server. Ooh, server security. Let's see what that looks like. Cool. And dog, eh? What other dogs you got? Yeah, well, gotta get a dog to guard my server rack. Of course. Definitely needed. Oops. No, row. There it is. Mint. Right click. Boom. Oops. And just like that, your own customization. Might be hard to see, but the Bluetooth icon is actually an image of a tooth, which I got from here as well. Yeah, so right there. Is it this one, I think? Yeah. So I use that for the Bluetooth one. Also have some fun with it. So that gets that fixed. You can see what happens when there's no network. That will happen. Disconnected. So we only need to know that, hey, we see these right here, we're connected. We're golden. It's supposed to show me the IP when I hover over it, but obviously that's not working, or I forgot to add it. I don't see a hover function there. No biggie. You can just one click. That's got to go. It's not needed. I can just go here and get it, so easy peasy. Or I can type it in the terminal and get it.
So I know if I see these two icons, I'm connected. Download icon, check mark. We could do something cooler than that there. What's that going to be? Update. Is that in here? System update right there. I bet you. So if we just look basically for that icon. There it is. So what do we want to do for the download? Something like that. Danger zone. What about skulls? Anything a little better to work with here, boys and girls? Yeah, maybe. Steam. Lots of steam. Little sheep. Makes me wonder. Pair of socks. That would. There we go. Why not? Snowman. Man, there's a lot under us. Ooh. Got that in my power line. Space Invader dude. Add a little retro to it. I don't know, what should we make the image with? What about like, I don't know, we're changing the download one, aren't we? Downloads. What about Red Hat? I got like... Wait a minute. Oh. Try this one. Oh, I gotta reload the debugger. Yeah, let's get this thing at full screen. What are we doing here? Wakey wakey. Oops. Oh, we in it? Oh yeah, we're in it. Okay, did that work? No? Seems to have disappeared. Well, that's weird. It's not gonna work like that, will it? Oh, okay, it was just too big for the... Okay. There it is. Packages are up to date. Got it. Alright, so that's that fixed. This is off center. That needs to be fixed. And then the other problem is this little team switcher that came with the original way bar that I just kind of stripped down and rebuilt. You still need to get rid of this, because if I click this right now, it will reload things. Change these. So this is a good test environment right here to see what we can break. So that's going to be in the style. Right. Let's go into that. Oh, there's something up there. So, oh, wait a minute. Some of it's... Some of it's in here. But I don't think I want to start with this. So we want to go... this workspace. No, that's part of it. Positioning. We'll come back to that. So we've changed the Wi-Fi part already to custom network. As well in here. So let's custom switcher. There it is. Current theme. So we can, I think, was a faster way of doing that. I don't know why I'm just backspacing, but that's what we're doing. Okay, so let's reload the way bar and see what breaks. Alright, so now that button's gone. Good. No fear of clicking that and breaking something now. And we still have some stuff left in here. I think just at the top though with that. Right? I think this here. broke? Why did it break? It's missing. It's missing something. What are you missing? Line 13 now. Well, what the hell? You're gonna play that game with me, aren't you? Mine ain't working right at all. It's just messing my shit up. Get over there. Okay, I think we're good. And we're going to Waybar. And, oh, that's not where I wanted to go first. I want to go into dot files. Oh. And we want to go to yeah, what is it? Oh, yeah, that's kind of important, isn't it? So it's missing. Do 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 do. Can I get a way bar, please? But you broke my workspace. Why does it say custom right? What about if we change that? Custom left. Nope. Why does that move? Wherever it moved. Or if I just do a custom. We had a nerd went into that. Maybe just for giggles. middle. Oh, this doesn't really show it anyways. That won't work. Yeah, let's do it. So what can we do? Custom. And what breaks? Man, it just well, I don't understand. Okay, well, that works fine anyways. That's where I want it to be. I need to move that. I'm gonna close this one a little bit. So, is this... I think we need style now.
The cabin in Tennessee, we got so high we cried, and you looked like heaven in the passenger seat, but life just passed us by, 'cause we weren't meant to be, but you still got a piece of me. Ooh, I know you hate my guts, but I swear I mean it all. I hope you're
Get closer. See any others with the padding cranked up enough to missing one. Oh, this is a network. Close enough. Perfect. Perfection. Like it. Very good. Yeah, on my main system on the 1440, this is going to be pretty sweet. And don't worry about this. This is, we can get rid of those warnings if we want. It's here nor there. Let's close that up before we uke something. So this all looks good now. That's working. That's working. That's working. That is working. Man, look at that usage spike up. Maybe some. Again, this is a VM, so it's really hard to judge how things are running. I think that's more of the VM thing going on there than anything. I did do one install where it was like blatantly obvious that something had gone wrong. Everything was chunking in. You know, you would open just the browser and it would freeze up. It's just I don't know what wrong with it, but we've done some fine tuning since then. Yeah, I keep forgetting to put htop into the install as well. Not a big deal. Just to show that's all working. Need more work done on my btop, but we'll get there. Oh, gotta check that wallpaper folder. What's going on here? It's just got the two wallpapers. I think when it first loaded in, it put one into cache there, that, you know, a blank one. That'd be easy enough to go in and wipe that out. Not gonna get too concerned. It's working.
Wake up to the sound of thunder, like a whisper in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever?
Should we test pulling a wallpaper in from somewhere?
I can see the stars reflecting, the empty tires made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light, take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up, you got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my
Oh, what is file format is that? We could make this work, but I'd have to go in and put that in the code for it to roll. There's, I asked for a PNG. What fuckery is this?
I've been used to breathing darkness. The hunger never disappears. But the memories have turned to
Something unusable.
ashes. Oh, still floating, but I won't surrender. See the
Eh. I don't have it set to use those. Can't just get a PNG fucking file anymore. Seriously. Huh. Well then, maybe not. Or shit. I mean, we could. Want to do an install a program to make it that? Nah, we don't wanna. Let's not waste our time with that. We know the wallpaper works. I'm sure if we bring another one in here, it'll work just fine. And again, on the other system, this is black. That's just going into where it and changing the colors up, foreground and background color, to do with the one it produced for that. That would be, so we'd be going into the cache and then into a wall. Offhand. I cannot remember offhand which one it's using. We can trace that, we can figure that out. But anyways, you go in here, find the one in the setup for this to have the colors change. It's going to be in one of my other scripts. And inside of that, it's going to show which one of these it's pulling in. And then you would go into one of these. So let's say it's probably, let's say that. This one here actually, because you gotta load that. I had to install that to get this to work, I believe. So let's just have a look. Looks. Maybe. We can do a test here. We'll just change this. Nope. What did we just change? Oh. We just changed this. Huh. Yeah, this one's using Wolfie. That one's using Wolfie and Woofy. Wolfie. Rah, rah, rah. Let's put that back. So we were off on that one. Tell him what he's won, Bob. We gotta reload that. Oh, wait a minute. Did I break that wrong? Because that, again, I gotta pay attention to the wallpaper not loading. Shit. That's why that was black. Now, nothing changed though when I did this. As far as the file manager went. Yes. No. Damn you. Thank you. Oh. Do. Which one was it? Let's try that one here. Oh, no. I don't think this is it. This. Yeah, I would have swore it was that. It's gotta be pulling from here. Let's see, is it? Bin. Could be in here. Or it could be loading from here as well.
Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real? Even real? Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Drowning in my life. Who am I? Time is eating me.
Colors.sh. We have that. Size. SH, yeah. Oh, right there. Or not, so, yeah. Do. Now, this is there. Foreground is color 7 and 15. So don't know why this just doesn't say color 0 or color 1 or color whatever here. 'Cause that's... Let's see what kind of color this is going on here. Might help us determine. Let's read browser.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster,
Black.
faster. We're running like
Okay, so this is yellow. We might be able to see. Or not yellow. Why is that? Oh, right, it's just the curse. Okay. Well, that would be a blue being used. And it's using the black as the text. If this is even a file. Curious. That is the same color. So this is used here. Let's see what else we got.
keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me.
Yeah, we've got that color in this wallpaper. What is this for file name? What is this? This very well could change. So let's do this. Just sit right over there.
Some things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got the
Yeah,
hit
should
on your head. Should have buried
This is for
your
show.
dead. Should have listened to me and oh, how little you know.
See anything different.
You better watch out, my friend. When it goes dark, you better lay low. When it goes dark, you better
Well, that's definitely not it. Oop. Okay, what's that all about? Problem? No, it doesn't like Huh. Interesting. Yes. No. Hmm. Oh, Thurnar right here. Update Thurnar. Holy crap, how'd we miss this? Themes. So it would be something to do with that file that I... Colors.
Did you cry when I found you in the night? Staying up till 5 a.m. Told me you and him were friends. Woke up in a burning home. Blame myself, I should have known. The stain of the sealed our fate, buried in the catacombs. Setting fire
Back
to
over.
the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time.
Alright.
Said you love me till
It's not a dot.
decays. Guess my darling changed her mind. Talks my heart
We
on
wanted play bar. Then we're going. No, jeez, totally wrong spot. Ugh, crashing. Then wall.
change your mind from sleepless nights.
Right.
Was I part of your design?
And then it's
Till I broke alone.
just like I figured was this one. But we changed it into crap. Oh, wait a minute. I'd have to like clear that out of there, right? Get it to reload? No? Maybe? Let's just... That technically looks like that's black. So... Which ones are these are referring to the actual backing of it? Rowdiness. Let's try and over here, test it. Got that. It's a negative so far. I don't see anything changing here.
There's a beauty in the way
but it could be because it's already got it locked in to the cache. So that gets saved here. I think. So let's find out how very wrong I might be. Figure that out. Pop that a little too soon. Not seeing any difference. Definitely cannot be using that file. Let's go back in and make sure I was clearing out the right spot. Here. Yeah, see here, so we've reloaded it. Do it again. Back in there. Yeah, just the two wallpapers. Let's see if we can get that blank one to show up. Wow, we probably just cured that problem right there. Yeah, so. Man, this thing's slow to roll next to the first one, the main one I built, so. Do have stuff running here, but look at this thing, it's absolutely pegged right now. All this stuff is doing something. Oh wait, I made that wrong. It's just this top part. Well, wasn't menu. Maybe we can change all these to see if anything flips. Well, that's pissing me off. What the hell? Which it's right here. Dunar. That's the file. That's where we're in, right? This is the other one. Oh yeah, I don't see that one. Let's compare this to the main system that I built this on. Oh no, I don't want to float that one. Float this. Okay, so you can see when I flip this one, it's pretty quick. Pops the reload. So you can see it's got the black background. Where are we going? Well, so what's different? At a quick glance, everything looks exact here. Oh, no, no, no. Don't be spamming me. Pissing me off. Nope. Mm-mm. I gotta hit the mute on the server. Okay, where were we? No, don't, nope, don't. Sorry, helping somebody. Okay, so I think we looked at this. This is the same. It's got the one listed here. There's another one here that we don't have. I think originally this is what I applied to get the dark theme applied. This never did turn out right. I'm not sure I could knock this out of here. I don't. Let's produce that file. It's not here. Theme. I'm just looking in the wrong spot. This is definitely the right spot here. This is killing it, reloading, update waybar colors. Update the, my power line. Right there. That updates the borders. The woofy. That is the spot. Here's my icons, custom icons. Which I gotta come in here and fix the download one so it changes, but outside of that. My dog is absolutely losing its mind on somebody. People are bright and want to walk towards them and talk to them. You don't like that. This is it. Why doesn't it change? The screaming bottled within. Take a look around and keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting for my life, so keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting. This has to be linked to another. Because this really should be color 1, color 2, color 3. These are like locked in. See here. You can see that's where it's hard coding it. So, can I just change that right here? Background is using 5. Foreground is, which is going to be the black. No. Color 0. See, it doesn't jive with that other menu. It's pushing that here, right? That's what's happening. I should have recorded this when I was doing this part. Okay, I keep someone sidetrack me here. We did that, right? We're about to test something. Yeah. Okay. Nothing changed there. Did we change the color up here? I feel like we might have. Way better. Well, that definitely not it. Didn't do shit.
In the still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns
That
in our
changed, right?
eyes, thought there was nothing to find. As
Right?
we searched for
Not going crazy.
just let the world embrace us. In the silence, we are one. Can't escape from this feeling.
Which one of those colors?
inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine.
That's fine. That's fine.
Let you run right through. I'll be there to help you shine.
And these are all dark colors. There's a light color. That color is definitely being used.
Like a comet in the sky. I promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs.
Come on, one of you be that off fucking yellow so we can move on.
I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you.
Okay, I'll have to go through the main system and see what I changed in there. Is this color being used? Yeah, right there. And it's definitely the colors of this wallpaper. It's generated. Just not seeing this yellow. Which one haven't I done? These two are the same, foreground and background, the text and the. So this is not the doing our file manager one because there's no yellow here. I've tried all these. The only odd duck here is this one. Which is that purple looking. Right, which is that. So we've got all the colors. Oh, and there's no red. So like, what is this? Should be a red in here, should be a 7 and 3. Oh, what the hell? Oh, wait a minute. This is... And black and... It's going to be the same chunk of colors, right? Oh wait, we got some difference here. Oh, this looks promising. Where else is that applied? Right there. 13. That's not used here. So it's 5. So it's correct here. Color 5. Change color 5 to color 1. And is color 1 being used? No. Color 0. Oh, color 0 is actually what we're after. So it is being used, so we'd have to make that something else. But can we just change, I think right in here, if I did this as let's just make it 0 and make this 5. See what breaks.
No one's safe from the reaper, not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descending to madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from
Well, shit. I don't see anything changed. Wait a minute. No, when I reload that, it reloads this, so that should change. Nothing's changed. Son of a bitch. No way it's using 13, is it? Yes, it has changed. And yes, I do want to save. Frick. It's going to ask again. So that's the source. Pulls it all in. Feeds it to that. That's what I'm getting from that. But I don't see it changing. Let's reboot it, make sure. I'll have to call it and jump down the rabbit hole on watching vegging on some Netflix or something, because my patience starts to go when I can't find something. Yeah, fuck it. I set out. My mission is done. This was just farting around. I set out to do a fresh install of Arch from the ground up. I did that with the complete custom, all done. .file installer worked. Everything's worked. I haven't found anything that hasn't worked. Fixed a few things up in the. Now I have to reapply this to my main files to get these changes. It'll definitely add that. I definitely like the little network thing I got going on there now. Looks good. I really gotta figure out if I can make it so I don't ever have to answer that question yes or no again when closing a terminal. It pisses me off. Got this centered. I mean, all in all, she's a working. So yeah, I'll hunt that down, figure out where to ship those colors. I don't know whether to hard set it like that into the files and upload them. I guess if I did, I could put a note on how to flip that back, because maybe somebody likes, you know, the color layout this way. It's a little much when it's opened all on its own, but you know, somebody might like. They might be using basically a wallpaper that doesn't have an ugly background like that. You know, like this isn't bad. Somebody might like that. I like it with just the background black, these highlighted in color. And I would, I mean, on my main build when I'm fully done, there'll be the folders I used a lot of that I want to stand out. I can set the colors to any of these folders individually pretty much. Some of them will be all the same, but there's certain ones here like wallpaper, videos, templates. We can make that all a different color if we want. Desktop, there's no need for this folder, so I'm not gonna try to figure how to get, because this is the only one the icon I can't get to shift. I can fix this one, that's not a problem. I've already done that on the main build. This one here is basically do this. That's how you fix that. And then reload. Empty trash. That's how you fix that icon. Just like that. All right, with that helpful tip, I think we'll call her there. I think that was pretty successful. I mean, at the end of the day here, we're nitpicking about the color scheme. But everything works. If I left it this way and someone had to figure out how to adjust that color, well, wah. You know, you're certainly gonna only put a little less work in than what I've done here. But I will fix that. I'll maybe leave a note how to adjust it inside of it. I just gotta look at that file again and see on the main one. I think on the main system it had set up with that, and I went in and adjusted that. That's why you see it loads black, but that's because I went right into one of the files there. Somewhere along the way, and probably, well, that probably states that it's not something in this file where I've adjusted this somewhere else, which could be because there's a couple of tools that you have to load to get the GTA themes to work before you can get hi wall to add. So I think somewhere back in one of those files, it's doing this. And that's why we're not getting it in the dot files when it loads. That's my best guess. Because here is, it's always the black background. So, which I think everybody's going to agree, 90% of the people are going to go yes like that. I mean, you can make this transparent as well. Make it like it look like the terminal kind of deal. Yeah, so I'd say this looks a lot better. Yeah, you can see much cleaner looking than this flat. That was horrible. But keep the color there. Just to give an idea. It's not horrible. I just don't understand where I may be changing here that didn't apply over to this build. But I think once I figure that out, we're golden. I just need to test this on the, I'll probably test this on my main, or test it on hardware on my laptop first, give it a test run, make sure everything goes right. If that works out right, then I'll be moving off my Linux for work and over to my own dot files. So that'll be fun. Alright, peace out, till next time.